Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you the comparison between two popular websites like udemy.com and the second one is linkedin.com. So how you can make a good comparison or choice that which website you should join if you are interested in some kind of courses. So like here in the Udemy, when you go to categories, so here you can see Udemy covers all kind of topics like development, business, finance, IT and software, marketing, lifestyle, music, Microsoft, Google, design. So Udemy has all variety of courses. So just you have to visit categories and select the course that you want to join. So Udemy covers all the courses that are professional courses. So now here you can check, scroll down and here you can see the prices of courses. So simply you can see the course for course price. So in most cases the course prices are same, so some courses have high prices. So now when we talk about content, so Udemy has also a high rating content and it has a professional trainer that provide the good training, and also that's why Udemy has a high ratings for the courses. So now when you come to LinkedIn, so simply you can see the LinkedIn has also some kind of courses like all courses, business, technology, creative. So basically the LinkedIn related to business, technology and creative. So here you can see the popular topics here: time management, spreadsheet, trending, computer skills, data analysis, motion graphics, marketing strategies, iOS development, so electrical engineering, personal branding, database administration, construction management, personal effectiveness, programming language. So in this way you can see the LinkedIn has some kind of these basic courses. So now here you can see chooses over 20 plus 20,000 plus courses and learning paths added so each week. So simply the LinkedIn is some kind of website where you can build your personal profile and also build your resume, and as you complete the course the resume you can attach to LinkedIn, so where you can develop a professional profile also. So LinkedIn also help you to find the job and different kind of projects. So in this way the LinkedIn has both qualities, like it can also provide you a good courses and also provide you opportunity, like you can develop when your personal profile. So simply you will hire other people, or some in some cases Udemy don't have facility to provide like jobs where people you can search for a job or people can hire you, but LinkedIn is some kind of website where you can also build your profile. So linkedin.com is available for this and the learning process where you can complete the courses. So now if you come to the comparison, so which one is most popular, so simply here you can check the ratings. So simply you can see in the graph above, Udemy was found in 2010 and it has 40 million students. So like that offer 180,000 plus courses and available courses in 65 languages, and it offers courses ranging from business and health fitness. In 2017, LinkedIn Learning was formed by lynda.com but with LinkedIn. So the LinkedIn owner developed the LinkedIn Learning where people can also learn the courses. So it offers 60,000 plus courses in business, creative and technology. So as you can see the LinkedIn has specialty in these courses and subjects. So but as compared, Udemy has all sort of courses available. So in this way, Udemy is better than LinkedIn Learning. So easy to use and interface. So when it comes to sign up and interface, so as you can see, Udemy has a good interface and attractive as compared to LinkedIn. So here you can check the registration process is very simple, like you have to add your email, password and name, and simply you can sign up in this way. Now here you can see the registration process is very easy. To join the Udemy, you don't need to put extra things like your personal name or all the details when simply you join the Udemy. So just simply you will type your password and email. So this is required to create your account on Udemy. So when it comes to LinkedIn, the process is very simple if you already have account on linkedin.com. So simply, like if you have already have account, so after this it will be easy for you. Just simply type your password and enter your email to join this. You can also sign up through Google. So the both process are easy to join LinkedIn and Udemy. So as you can see in the next section, bank 10 design. So as you can see, Udemy design for courses is very simple. Just the main courses are available here on the main front page. Simply if you want to buy a course, simply you have to click here and simply you can buy the course. Like in this way, Udemy has the good interface and interactive interface for users. So LinkedIn has also good interface, but as compared to quality and interface, so you can see the LinkedIn has some kind of different view, but the attractive view of udemy.com. So simply you can see the LinkedIn has this interface. So this is very simple interface for LinkedIn, but the Udemy has the good interface. So now you can see courses information. Udemy offers 155,000 plus courses. So categories by 13 topics and dozens of subcategories. So as you can see, Udemy has different kind of categories and subcategories. So now as compared to LinkedIn, offer only 16,700 courses on business, technology and creative topics. Its filter system is not quite as detailed as Udemy. So you cannot find the detailed courses on LinkedIn, but in the Udemy you can find all the detailed courses. So simply free courses at Udemy and LinkedIn. So some courses are free on Udemy, like WordPress, Excel, HTML. So the basic courses are free on Udemy. So here you can see start your LinkedIn has 1 month free trial, so you can cancel anytime. So the free trial is available with the month and the annual membership also available. So LinkedIn also provides the 1 month free courses. So available language. So when it comes to languages, so you can see Udemy has more than 65 plus languages. So LinkedIn has languages like the easiest way of user to change the language content in their account, and Udemy has the higher languages rather than the LinkedIn learning. So as come to certificate, so here you can check the certificate of comparison. So Udemy has some kind of this certificate and LinkedIn provide you this sort of certificates. So this is the difference between certificates. So the LinkedIn certificates you can directly share to your LinkedIn profile. So both websites provided certificates after when you complete the course. So certification process is available whenever you complete the course. Course quality and instructor. So when it comes to course quality and instructor of obviously Udemy has the high rating for every course and it has a good instructor. So rather than when we compare to LinkedIn, the Udemy has the good instructor and good quality of courses. So both Udemy has a decent system for learning process. So LinkedIn also you can check it. So which one is better for business? So Udemy business offers the courses and $360, 5,500 courses plus $360 price. So as compares to LinkedIn, so LinkedIn also provide the business courses, but the Udemy has the good and high rating business courses. So here you can check the price like free trial, pricing model, platforms, refund policy, more information. So you can also visit the website to check the price comparison. So in this way you can select which website you should join for course like